To make this yummy dip, you'll need natural yoghurt, cucumber, salt, mango chutney and pepper. First, cut the cucumber in half lengthways, then dice into fine chunks. Now cut horizontally into half moon shapes. Once this is done, tip into your mixing bowl, like so. Add 2 tablespoons of yoghurt and mix thoroughly. Next, you'll need to add 2 teaspoons of mango chutney. Mix thoroughly to combine. Season your dip with black pepper and salt to your own preference. Give your dip a final mix. This is perfect with curry, kebabs and fajitas. Enjoy!